All right, let's do this the easy way. First of all, do you need to replace your coolant? Get one of these coolant strip things, all right? Dip that into your coolant, and then it's gonna tell you, when you compare it to that, what's the acidity level, all right? If it's too acidic, it's gonna damage your engine and your radiator and all that. You don't want that. And check your glycol level so that it doesn't freeze your shit solid. Okay, after you do that, or if it's older than 10 years, just replace it anyway, because it's gone bad. You gotta do that so that your shit don't go bad. So, get under your car here, and you're gonna need to lift it up. Get on a ramp. You don't need to take the wheels off. That's all good. Easiest way to do it, if you can get in here. See this? All right, see that white thing there? Hard to see up inside there. If you can just turn that, it'll drip out. Make sure you go up to the top of the car and release the pressure on the top cap so that it'll come out of here. And then turn that just a little bit so that it drips out. You don't want it spraying out. It's going to spray up there and it's going to go everywhere. You don't want that. It's going to be messy. So just let it drip out. If you can't get it in there, not with like, maybe you can get like your pliers, get your long needle nose in there, something like this. If you can't get in there, take a couple of these bolts and clips off of this, reach in with your hand and grab it and turn it. Okay, that's what I had to do. And then it's going to drip out of there. And that's the easiest way to drain this out. Then you can just close it up and refill it, and you are done. Easy as that.